Our chief guest, Honorable Prime Minister for the Republic of Fiji, Honorable Speaker of Parliament for the Republic of Fiji, members of the Diplomatic Corps, the Pacific representative for UNICEF, Honorable Ministers, Assistant Ministers, Permanent Secretaries and government officials, our very own Youth Ambassador, youth participants, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Pula Pinaka and a very good afternoon. Let me, at the outset, extend a very warm welcome to you all to this first ever National Youth Climate Action Summit. I'd also like to extend a special welcome to our chief guest, the Honorable Prime Minister. As a global climate change champion, it is a double honor for this summit to have you serve as our chief guest. I would like to, at this juncture, acknowledge our major partner, the United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, for their support in making this three-day summit possible. Ladies and gentlemen, the idea for this National Youth Climate Action Summit was supported by and given form by the youths of Fiji, who I have interacted with from urban to rural to maritime areas in their conversations with my team. So today I welcome 200 young men and women who have joined us from far corners of our beautiful island. Can we all put our hands together? I look forward to your thoughts and deliberations at this summit that aims to bring climate change awareness and action as priorities. Ladies and gentlemen, and our youth participants, when it comes to climate change action, the global warrior is here amongst us. We do not have to look far for inspiration, and we look forward today to his words of wisdom and action on climate change. I know it will serve to inspire our youth participants to have the desire and will for action on climate change in a considered manner, and the inspirations bring about a real change. This will bring about a real difference to ensure the safety and sustainability of our planet. This will mean that the aim of this summit, initiated by and for the youths of Fiji, will have found its rightful young warriors to act on climate change alongside with the Honorable Prime Minister and his noble aims. Ladies and gentlemen, I also want to thank my ministry's commitment, together with the key stakeholders, for all their effort in putting up this event to recognize the voices of youths. I once again thank the Honorable Prime Minister for taking up the invitation to officially open the first ever National Youth Summit on Climate Change and look forward to his leadership and direction to get the ball rolling for this historic occasion. Ladies, gentlemen, and youth participants, with these few words, let me once again welcome Naka